Today I'm making a Wisconsin favorite, beer cheese dip. It starts with only 4 easy ingredients, a couple of blocks of cream cheese, an envelope of ranch seasoning mix, and yes, there is also beer and cheese. Make sure you choose the flavor of beer you like, and the cheese will be shredded cheddar cheese. We only need 1/3 cup of beer, which is why I recommend you get a good flavor because you'll have the rest of the bottle or a can to drink. And then I always like to start by whipping the cream cheese. It should be at room temp, but using the hand mixer on it first kind of ensures that it really is all at the right temperature and it's smooth and it's going to be easy to mix together with the other ingredients. And then from here I add the beer and the packet of dry ranch seasoning. And again, use the hand mixer slowly at first. Just start mixing in those 2 ingredients, and as you can see, this comes together pretty easily. It whips up into a nice, smooth and creamy mixture. From here, the only thing left to do is to add in the rest of the cheese. The shredded cheddar, it's 2 cups of it, and then all you have to do is take that spatula and fold it, mix it in. Just a little bit of mixing, doesn't take too long. This will be a nice, smoothly distributed mixture of the cheese amongst the cream cheese. And then all you have to do is transfer it to a serving bowl and it's pretty much ready to go. Choose your dipping vehicle of preference. I'm using pretzel rods. Some corn chips are also a great choice. It's just a delicious way to serve something different as an appetizer. I hope you give this a try because if you do, I know you will love it. Enjoy.